Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the two-port network parameters, transformation and condition for reciprocal for a ABCD transmission parameters. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Transformation and condition for reciprocal for a two-port network. We are going to find the ABCD transmission parameters. There are 6 parameters available. We are going to express the parameter in terms of ABCD transmission parameters. So this ABCD is the transmission parameter normally used in the design of transmission line. So this parameter ABCD, first we will see what is the description for ABCD. 1 divided by A is V2 divided by V1, that is called a open circuit voltage gain. The output port is open circuited. For that we are finding the gain. So that open circuit voltage gain. Next 1 by C is V2 by I1. V by I is there. So the impedance. Open circuit transfer impedance. 1 by C. Similarly minus 1 by B is I2 by V1. So I by V is there. So it is admittance. Short circuit transfer admittance. First two parameter open circuit. Now this third and fourth parameter is coming under short circuit. Right. So it is the impedance, is the admittance. Earlier is impedance. Then minus 1 by D equal to I2 by I1. Both are current. So current gain. Short circuit current gain. So first one is the voltage gain. Second one open circuit transfer impedance. This is short circuit transfer admittance, short circuit current gain. So these 4 parameters are available. We are going to express all the parameter in terms of ABCD. So the term delta T is nothing but determinant of the transmission matrix. The determinant of the transmission matrix is delta T. So this is the ABCD transmission parameter. ABCD. We are going to express other parameter in terms of ABCD. So the transmission parameter is written as it is. Now we will see the other parameters in terms of ABCD one by one. First one is Z parameter. Open circuit impedance parameter. The secondary, the output port is open circuited. Further we are finding impedance. That's why we called a open circuit impedance parameter. What is the equivalent? A by C delta T divided by C 1 by C D by C. In terms of ABCD parameter, this is the equivalent. Denominator all C parameter. C denominator is equal. Only numerator is changing. Then short circuit admittance parameter. Y parameter. Short circuit admittance. D by B minus delta T divided by B minus 1 by B A by B. So the denominator, the term is B is available. Same for all. Only numerator is changing. Then as usual ABCD parameter. Then the inverse transmission parameter is there. A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Inverse transmission parameter. The equivalent is D divided by delta T, B divided by delta T, C divided by delta T, A divided by delta T. We know that delta T is the determinant of the transmission matrix. So the delta T is common for all the denominator. Only numerator is changing. So separate video available for all these parameters. Z parameter, Y parameter, ABCD, A dash, all are separate video available. The link is given in the description box. Then hybrid parameter. What is hybrid parameter? Normally in Z parameter, the voltage is expressed in terms of current. In short circuit parameter, current is expressed in terms of voltage. But here both are there. Input voltage and output current is expressed in output voltage and input current, like that. Both current and voltages are expressed. So that it is called a hybrid parameter. What is the equivalent? B by D delta T divided by D minus 1 by D C by D. So this is a hybrid parameter. So the inverse hybrid parameter. G parameter. The inverse of this C by A minus delta t divided by a, 1 by a, b by a. Denominator, the term is a is available, common for all, same. Only the numerator is changing. So these are all the equivalent parameters. Z parameter, Y parameter, A inverse transmission parameter, A dash, B dash, C dash, then hybrid, inverse hybrid parameter. Then what is the condition for reciprocal? Delta t is 1. If it is delta t is 1, then it is reciprocal. So this condition will be useful for designing the transmission line. While designing the transmission line, the reciprocal condition will be very useful. So in this video, two-port network ABCD transmission parameter is expressed in terms of other parameters: open circuit impedance parameter, short circuit admittance parameter, inverse transmission parameter, hybrid parameter, inverse hybrid parameter. Also the condition for reciprocal. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.